Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with single slide, outside kitchen refrigerator, outside shower, outside speakers, spare tire and carrier, stabilizer jacks, double step entry, backup camera ready, flip down travel rack, LED exterior lighting, stainless sink, pull-out spray faucet, high-rise faucet, LP leak detector, flush mount gas range cover, fire extinguisher, tri-fold sofa sleeper, LED interior lighting, pleated shades, storage drawers under each booth, battery disconnect, bathroom toilet, TV hookup in bedroom, USB charging station, detachable power cord, shower skylight, kitchen pantry, over-the-range microwave, smoke detector. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.